As per our ongoing DOGECOIN cost expectation, the worth of DOGECOIN will expanded by 241.97%, coming to 27 cents by end of 2025 in a significant manner. All specialized markers show that the ongoing opinion in a real sense is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness record basically is perusing 20.27, and that implies most certainly intense trepidation. Our DOGECOIN conjecture: it's hazardous to truly sell DOGECOIN at this moment. On walk 6, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among DOGECOIN cost forecasts. See the specific DOGECOIN cost forecast beneath. You will know how particularly DOGECOIN fundamentally is worth in the next few long stretches of time in a by and large huge manner. Throughout the course of recent days, DOGECOIN has really diminished by 21.63%. Because of this, we can in a real sense get, with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month, as opposed to prevalent thinking, toward the finish of spring. The worth of DOGECOIN expanded by 113.72% and came to approach around 16 cents, or so they thought. Presently, all markers by and large are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness file shows 20.27 intense feelings of dread, which generally is genuinely huge. As indicated by our conjecture, this generally isn't the ideal opportunity to sell DOGECOIN, which is very huge. Right now, DOGECOIN is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal for the most recent 326 days since December 31, 2023. SMA has shown a DOGECOIN selling truly signal. The cost of DOGECOIN is presently running beneath the 50-day exceptionally straightforward moving normal SMA, and it shows a sell signal incredibly. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0786 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, DOGECOIN's momentary 50-day SMA sort of shows a $0.0857. The overall strength record. RSI, Energy Oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI in a real sense is at present at or civilu. This shows that the Doge market is in a purchase position. DOGECOIN, Doge Value Expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, DOGECOIN came to $0.0928 when it truly dipped under $0.0693, interestingly since January 2021 amazingly. As per the financial backers and market trades, DOGECOIN is headed to passing the 16 cents mark before the current year is over. Before 16 cents, it might break its characteristic of 74 cents and arrive at in a significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, DOGECOIN will really break its past all-time exceptionally high of 74 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 16 cents soon. At this point, on 6 walk 2023, DOGECOIN is exchanging at $0.0737, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 265.48 M, and it makes number 8 money in the entire crypto world. DOGECOIN Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that DOGECOIN can get through the 19 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely critical. The kind of the least DOGECOIN cost will be between 16 cents to 19 cents, and the most probable DOGECOIN cost will be consistent at around 17 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite DOGECOIN's especially wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person adventure genuinely entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that DOGECOIN will reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2024 or truly mid-2024, which essentially is very huge. DOGECOIN Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists basically foresee that Doge will generally begin the year at 22 cents and exchange around 27 cents incredibly. As indicated by their expectations, this would especially be very high contrasted with especially last year, or so they thought. This by and large is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. DOGECOIN Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that DOGECOIN 2026 value forecast will fundamentally twofold in cost. However, it basically is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal, especially most extreme 34 cents level. DOGECOIN is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed pretty high of 33 cents or 34 cents in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of DOGECOIN, or so they thought. DOGECOIN Value Forecast 2027. DOGECOIN Value Expectation, or DOGE, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it can possibly especially accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. In spite of mainstream thinking, DOGECOIN's cost is supposed to, in every practical sense, outperform 34 cents in 2027. It for the most part has been anticipated that DOGECOIN will arrive at the greatest cost of 34 cents, and the base value sort of is supposed to be around 28 cents in the following a long time from 2027. Incredibly, DOGECOIN estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists sort of say that DOGECOIN value expectation and specialized examination, DOGECOIN in a real sense, is supposed to cross a value level of 39 cents in 2028, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the interim, DOGECOIN basically is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of 35 cents this year. The most extreme cost may explicitly reach 40 cents. DOGECOIN DOGE Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the DOGECOIN Value Forecast and Specialized Examination anticipate that the expense of DOGECOIN will really reach 55 cents, and the cost of DOGE ought to by and large reach 55 cents before the year is over, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, DOGE can reach up to 50 cents in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will truly bring critical years for DOGECOIN development. DOGE Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, DOGECOIN Value Forecast certainly are supposed to cross the 75 cents normal cost level, as per DOGECOIN estimate and specialized examination. Toward the finish of 2030, DOGECOIN's kind of least cost is supposed to be 72 cents. Moreover, DOGE can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of 77 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, DOGECOIN will have a typical cost of 77 cents, or so they thought. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. DOGECOIN Value Forecast 2031. DOGECOIN cost is assessed to reach $1.01 by 2031 at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.04 all through 2031. DOGECOIN's worth could come to $1.05 at its sort of the greatest. The experts anticipate that the most extreme cost should by and large be exchanging around $1.04, which is genuinely huge. DOGECOIN estimate 2032. Out of 2032, DOGECOIN will for the most part attempt to arrive at the practically the least degree of $1.38. It might for the most part attempt to get the greatest and next top level of $1.43. With the genuinely normal gauge cost of $1.42, in an exceptionally enormous manner, it might break the past high and certainly proceed to its most certainly next level, or so they thought. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee what will be the most reduced cost of DOGECOIN in future.